looking to buy a tiny home and affix it to a property just like an ADU, don't look at loans for manufactured homes. The prices might be lower on those tiny homes on wheels, but the interest rate is much higher and your monthly payment could be 3 to 5 times higher than simply purchasing a unit, a prefab unit that's built to local housing codes and attached to the unit. The price might be half or double the amount of buying a tiny home on wheels, but the monthly payment is so much lower and you're getting a much better quality unit. Do you really want to live in a unit that is regulated by the DMV and not housing codes when it's really, really hot or really, really cold? I don't. So consider that it's worth what it costs you and the rates will be so much more. Let's run the numbers.